The September 2025 session of the Northwest Regional Assembly served as a platform to showcase the concrete advancement achieved under the region's special status. Leaders reported measurable progress across all 34 subdivisions, signaling a significant shift from theoretical decentralization to practical implementation. Prof. Fu Angwafo III, President of the Regional Executive Council, detailed the achievement. He reported the successful completion of 244 public investment projects, all physically realized.
Our balance sheet talks of 244 public investment projects that were entirely realized, physically received and provisionally accepted and paid for. We also have a major community-initiated and executed bank of projects, over 200 of them that were executed by the community. And in this way, we created a local economy in the different communities and get an opportunity for all stakeholders in the community to get together.
Governor Adolphe Lele Lafrique, the representative of the state, affirms these accomplishments.
For the 5 years that they were operating have given proof of the fact that yes, the head of state was right to grant the special status to the Northwest region. You must have seen the activities and the realization that the Regional Assembly has done for the 5 years of their last mandate, quite encouraging.
The session concluded with a focus on the future as budget deliberations were aligned to build on this momentum, prioritizing future investment in infrastructure, healthcare, education, and agriculture.